Tesla's Europe sales plummet again. Market share shrinks and anti-Musk backlash. So what is happening to Tesla's sales in Europe? Tesla's sales in Europe are plummeting again. So how much have Tesla's European sales have declined? Tesla's European sales have declined by 20% in the past quarter. So what is happening to Tesla's market share in Europe? Tesla's market share in Europe is shrinking. So why are Tesla's sales declining in Europe? One reason is an anti-Elon Musk backlash, with some consumers turned off by his public persona. Is competition a factor in Tesla's declining sales? Yes. Increased competition from other electric vehicles manufacturers is also a factor. So, which countries are seeking the biggest declines in Tesla sales? Countries such as Germany, France, and UK are seeing significant decline. So how is Tesla responding to decline in sales? Tesla is trying to boost sales with incentives and promotions. So is the decline in Tesla's European sales a concern for the company? Yes. Europe is a key market for Tesla, and the decline in sales is a concern. Can Tesla recover from the decline in European sales? It's possible, but Tesla will need to address the concerns of European consumers and stay competitive in the market. So what does the decline in Tesla European sales mean for investors? Let me explain. The decline in sales could impact Tesla's stock price and investor confidence. So this is a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor or independent financial advisor. This is for information, entertainment, and learning purpose only. If you like this kind of a content, like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.